Production.
What's good, guys? It is week 9 of the NIO breakdown, and it's still filling out this descending triangle. So what I do like is I think that we need to take time and digest in this zone, because that could lean to a more bullish case if we just eventually run out of sellers as we hold this $34 range. That would be pretty bullish. I'd love to see that for the bull case. For the bear case, though, we have this very large head and shoulders pattern, and we need to be careful, because if this plays out, it then confirms that we'll probably go towards $25 to $29. So we do, of course, have to be aware that that's in play. We have this as our neckline. This $34 range is our neckline. So are we going to see this bearish pattern play out over time? It could, which wouldn't be terrible. I mean, like, it would, then again, it would lead to a greater buying opportunity in NIO at lower prices for the long term, which is great. That's what we want. But as for what's happening right now, we want to see it hold this descending triangle. If we could hold this descending triangle, that indicates we'll bounce up. We also have this inverse head and shoulders. It's taken a long time to develop this right shoulder. We could break bear, which would then negate this pattern. But for the meanwhile, I'll keep it there just in case. That's what I'm seeing in NIO. If we happen to break out soon, it's going to be from this inverse head and shoulders pattern that's playing out right here. And if we continue to fall in this descending triangle, it leads us to another bullish play where we just need more time for the sellers to run out, and we end up breaking bull around this area around late May or late April, early May. And then the bearish case is that there is a massive head and shoulders pattern that's getting ready to play out, and we're going to come back and test these 25 to 29 or lower ranges. So those are what I think are the potential outcomes that could play out in NIO. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but like, after looking at the chart and doing some technical analysis, that's what I think could potentially happen. I'm not owning NIO right now, so I also don't see an immediate buy opportunity. So it's time to let the chart develop. I think it'll be an interesting few weeks to come up. We still got another, 35 more weeks in the year. So that's what we got for this week in NIO. Peace, guys.